Clinton.
Yeah.
No, ħanibdew.
My God, it's the first time I am seeing you with that t-shirt, eh? Do you believe in love at first sight, darling?
See, yes and then no. No.
No, okay.
No, but you look pretty though, you know? You look...
If you want, I can reappear again, so that we do it again, the love at first sight.
No, għekti second sight, but.
Wija, intallini!
Mela, għadu minn kieqaf. Clinton, the winner of Love Island Malta 2024.
Yeah, baby!
How does it feel?
It feels amazing. It feels, I'm still full of emotions, you know what I mean? Like, I'm still trying to like process it. I haven't had a proper sleep, you know what I mean? Like
It shows, a bit. It
No,
shows.
it doesn't show. You look so good.
ooh, you up to something over here, you know?
Ħana lawa, Joe.
I like your nose, you know.
Mela,
Thanks.
Clinton, please concentrate.
Yeah,
'cause
sorry,
otherwise,
sorry.
your chances of winning this were like Italy in the Euro. Tajjeb, which they how do you put it politely? They were a disaster, so but let's face it, how many times were you coupled up with different people in there?
82 times, I think.
I think
You-
four or five times.
4 or 5 times.
4 or 5 times. So my journey in there, like, you know, was a roller coaster, you know.
So as such, if you before Tamika were saying,
Yeah.
nobody would have said that you're gonna win it, right?
No.
And even Raquel, you were saved by Raquel. The reality is you won against all odds, darling, haven't you?
Yeah.
And how do you think Matthias and Kion took it that they were placed behind you?
I mean, obviously,
You spoke to them?
I spoke to them, and you know, for me and the boys, our relationship is very, like, you know, solid. And I mean, at that very moment, even me, I was very, very surprised that I won as well, because
You checked your tires?
my tires.
Yeah, you drive?
Yes.
Yeah, you check them,
had a- I had a fla- I had-
because Kion might poke them or something.
Actually,
No,
like, I
I'm
was
kidding.
thinking about it because I had a flat tire once. You know.
Oh
when I
my
got out.
God,
Hey.
that's it then.
I had a flat. Hey, Keon, what you been up to, man? What you been doing? Do you know Keon? Do you know?
Yeah, no, we haven't met him yet, but we will, don't worry.
He have a curly hair like Miss Darling over here, you know.
But I think they were surprised as much as you were that you won, yes?
I was surprised, very surprised. You know, it's not like I didn't want to be in that position, or if I don't deserve it, me and Tamika, obviously. But like I was deep down, I was rooting for like Enrique and Matthias.
You assumed, yes?
Yeah, but the public, you know, have a different perspective. You know, they saw things that we didn't see, like in the villa, being over there. You know. But you know, being in there, you miss a lot of things as well. But the public is always like watching, like, you know what I mean, like.
We were always watching.
Tell the labor about it.
Do you want to get married?
Yeah.
Yes.
Issa dix mistoqsija jien.
I'm sorry, I got confused.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Mela, the criticism on you and Tamika is that you are not really in love. Is that so?
I feel like love is a very big thing. It's
Yes.
a very big step, you know what I mean? Like, me and Tamika, as of right now, like, I would be honest and real to myself, I haven't really fallen for Tamika yet. Not just yet, but...
So I still am in time, darling.
Way off.
I don't think Tamika will like this, you know?
But she's not here.
Yeah, but, you know, I'm loyal. Hey, yo, chill out, man. Relax.
Hey, from 1 to 10, imma.
At what stage is your love indicator, darling?
Love
Not towards me, towards Tamika.
Towards Tamika, I'm really happy of what we're building in the, you know, we started building in the villa, and the plan from the villa was to take it out there and fully, like, you know, explore that, and that's the plan, like, you know, moving forward on real, like, you know.
How you're like Denzel Washington, man.
Oh my God! Wash off my hand, man. It was broken.
Insopportabli ta' minn intervista mija. Għattrajt il-Peppi għdem il-nis.
Ikdem idejk, Peppi, imma.
Also, Mela, what the public said, that what, sorry, I have to start again. What the public was saying is that what fueled your win was actually Raquel's elimination. How do you feel about that?
I can't really like say much on that one because obviously I was in the villa the whole time, so I don't really know what the situation was on the outside world. So I can't really like. For me, I like to like say things that I know.
And you watched all the episodes, or
not yet? I haven't got the time to like fully watch the episodes, to be honest. But I mean like.
Don't watch them, taħallihom.
Why? Why?
Oh, well, yes, you're out.
Well, he was waiting for me to like come out and everything. What was my best moment in the villa?
Complete.
Isma, why was it difficult for you and Raquel to be a couple, taħseb? What do you think?
I don't know. I mean,
There was no connection.
From my case, I wanted to like build something beautiful with with Raquel. What I had for Raquel at the very beginning was like amazing. It was something like real, genuine, and everything. But I mean, look. Things didn't work out, and it may be wrong timing. You know what I mean, like wrong scenarios, wrong environment. I don't know, but I mean, I wish nothing but but the best for Raquel, and the journey was amazing. It was a nice experience,
and you do have a nice relationship now. So
with Raquel, yes. Suppose in my case, I'm very open to like talk to everyone and meet everyone. I haven't really met any of the island. I mean, apart from today, I met some of them, but like I haven't really like we came out on Sunday, today is Tuesday, so it's been like I had to meet with family yesterday and today.
Did you have any first night sleeping alone yet? In the bed, nobody else in the bedroom, just you?
In the villa?
No, outside now. Did you get any nights like that?
Yeah, I was looking forward to like go home and sleep in my bed.
And how does that
who
feel?
had the smelliest farts?
It was Kyo, man. It was Kyo, bro. Like, hey, Kyo, you gotta get it, bro. Like,
yes, let's wait until he's here and then we'll see about this.
Kyon, Edward, and who else? There was someone else that was.
Edward, to call.
Edward was fine. I love
Edward.
Listen, I love Ed, but
even Marie, from her face, she was a farter.
Marie, no.
Isma, looking back, who do you think was playing the game and who was the mastermind many times?
I don't think anyone was playing the game. I think everyone was like exploring, like everyone was like having their journey, like So I wouldn't say someone is really like playing the game. I was over there. I was just like focusing on me, and I wasn't really trying to be like in anyone's business. You know what I mean?
And it showed.
I wouldn't say like I was really trying to like, at the end of the day, I came in there by myself, and I was really trying to focus on me and not trying to get involved in people's like business, because sometimes things you don't want to know, it's best like not to try to get involved in things that doesn't really concern you, like you know what I mean, like the most, and stay away from any type of drama.
And I think people appreciated that as well.
Yeah.
Clinton, honey,
Tell me.
how is your stomach?
Very good. Empty right now?
Because you remember last time when you went to Gozo and you had the salsed?
Yes.
The sausage?
Yeah.
It wasn't a cartouche, hey?
No, it wasn't a cat, man.
Zom, ja Domink, ja ħasra.
Ċiex?
Sorry, I have to say this in Maltese. Imma dak il-restaurant għad vera tajjeb, change subject, tara. What you don't know is that they found a butcher who was cooking cats apparently, but we don't know if it's true or not.
It was a fake news, apparently.
And he made sausages and you were in Gozo, so she thought like,
No.
You're okay.
Oh my God.
So,
I'm good. I'm okay. Like, I'm good.
Mela, several comments also said that they voted for the honest couple and at the same time condemning bullying without mentioning names. Have you ever felt this bullying inside the villa? Were you in a situation kind of where you said, oh, this is bullying?
No, not with me at all. Like, not in my case at all. No, I didn't feel like any type of bullying in my case. You know what I mean?
Issa, anytime you can bully me, honey.
Oh my God, no.
Pull me up!
No, say no to bullying, man. Look at you. Hey, yo.
Being amongst Maltese sometimes, we speak, u ma tkunx taf x'għajdu, like I just did. How does that feel?
Obviously, to be honest, I need to take full responsibility because I've been in Malta for the past 10 years. So I need to...
Shame on you need to learn Maltese.
It's actually bad on me because I should have learned Maltese like this whole time. But like Maltese is a country that's like so diverse that, sometimes you can communicate easily with English and all these things. So, we took I took like maybe the advantage of, okay, I can just communicate with English and, forget about like the Maltese, like actual language, But like I feel bad on myself, and I said to myself, like once I'm out the villa, my plan is to go learn Maltese.
Yes, promise it.
And
here.
you should
I will.
You should rap in Maltese too.
That's
a good
intense.
idea.
That's a good idea. But
By the way,
Yo, Jiena Clinton, yo!
I'm gonna make a song for you, okay?
Dominka sex.
Huh?
Dominka sex.
What is that?
Leave it.
Okay.
Leave it.
Ejja.
I prepared a game for you, which we can play later. I will present 2 envelopes for you to choose from.
All right.
Oh my
God, not the envelopes again, man.
Fight for envelopes.
Mela, you will need to open one of them where you might find the card swap.
Swap u x'tagħmel?
I swap with Tamika.
Oh my God.
Or if you wish, you swap Tamika for the 20,000 but ħalli fidejja, għax my Love Island, il-Hawaii tkun minn fuq darben kamil. Oh, hey!
Well, you like Ben?
Wow, signori, thank you, Clinton, for coming over. Thank you.
One
We
kiss,
wish you
Clinton.
all the
One
luck.
kiss,
I'm loyal to Tamika,
Clinton
man.
of Love Island.
I'm gonna give you a hug, okay?
Okay, hug.
Okay.
You're so juicy.
Yeah.